So this week's word of the week for week number 20 is muscular strength. Now, muscular strength is defined as the amount of force one can put out or the amount of weight one can lift. Now, examples of muscular strength are weightlifting, using resistance bands, shoveling, and digging, and much, much more. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 20 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, X's. Number 2, squat jumps. Number 3, mountain climbers. And number 4, cross jacks. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 20. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have X's. So what I'm gonna do is start with my feet shoulder width apart, and I'm gonna have my feet staggered, and then I'm gonna put my feet together, and then I'm gonna open them right back up, kind of like I'm drawing an X, 2 at the top, 1 in the middle, and 2 at the bottom. So again, back to the middle, and then back to the bottom. So it's gonna go forward and back, okay? Those are X's. All right, number 2, we have squat jumps. So we're gonna go feet shoulder width apart. Make sure you pretend you're like you're in a box, look at your shoulders, look at your feet, they should be aligned. You're gonna go straight down, drop down like you have a chair behind you, and then you're gonna explode up and do a squat jump. Exercise number 3, we got mountain climbers. So we're going down, get into a push-up position. Make sure that your hands are facing forward. Do not turn your wrist, you can actually really damage your wrist, so don't do that. Make sure you're facing forward. Okay, you're gonna start with 1 foot back, 1 foot forward, and then you're gonna alternate, okay? Just go at your own pace. If you wanna go nice and slow, that's okay, as long as you're moving your body. And if you wanna go turbo and go as fast as you can, that's good as well. The goal is to get your knees as close to your chest as possible. So exercise number 4, we have cross jacks. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my feet out wide, hands can go to the side, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna cross your hands back and forth, just like this. And while you're doing that, you're bringing your feet in and out, so it looks like this. Okay, cross jacks. All right, so make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 20, and we'll begin in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. X's. Again, open, close, open. Like you're making an X. You move your body forward and backwards. Great job. Remember, every exercise is 30 seconds. Breathe through your nose. Whoa, rewind. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Great job, my friends. Keep it up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Work hard. You can do it. Remember the motto, just finish, my friends. All right, we got those squat jumps coming up. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Reach a little apart and go down and explode. I want you guys to go higher than me. Get down, explode. Use those arms to propel you up. Let's go. Like you're doing an awesome jump squat. Let's go, let's go. Like your rocket ship. Woo! All right, let's go down. Mountain climbers. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, hit your knees to your chest. Do the best you can. Let's go, we're moving. You got it, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Cross jack. And go. Cross your hands. Let's go, let's go. You're doing amazing, my friends. Almost done with this round. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, 1 minute rest, my friends. Great time to get some water, wipe your sweat off, get ready for round 2. So I hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. Again, this is Fast 5 number 20. If you have not checked out 1 through 19, highly recommend it, my friends. Almost at 3 weeks worth of Fast 5 workouts that you can try out at home with your family, with your friends. If you guys are working on your fitness journeys, great opportunity to check these workouts out. Again, only 5 minutes. Great beginner workouts. So you check it out. If you guys are not subscribed to my other YouTube channel, which is Fast 5 Workouts, make sure you do that today. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. X's. Again, forward and backwards. Open and close. Open, together, close. There you go. You guys got this. Let's go. Move. We're moving. We're working hard. I want you to put out more effort this round. Everything you got. 10 more seconds, my friends. All right, squat jumps, feet shoulders apart, and down and up, explode. I want you guys jumping off those toes. Let's go. As high as you can. Reach for the ceiling. Reach for the stars. I know I'm getting a little fatigued. That's okay to get tired. Just keep working. All right, let's go. Down the mountain climbers. 2 more exercises left. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go put in that work. Your hard work will pay off, I promise you. All right, last one. Cross jacks and go. I'm gonna mix it up. I want you to cross my arms and legs. Almost there, my friends. And time. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Amazing job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 20. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was the most challenging exercise? And also don't forget to drop a comment down below of what types of exercises you would like to see for future Fast 5 workouts. Again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself activity, we are gonna learn how to do the Cupid Shuffle. That's right, my friends, we are dancing today. So get your dance shoes on and get ready to do the Cupid Shuffle. See you soon. All right, so here we go. Now here are the basic steps for the Cupid Shuffle. They're pretty simple, so make sure you follow along. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. First step is we are gonna move to our right. We're just gonna step right, bring it together, step, together, step, together, step, together. Now we're going to do that 4 times, so this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now we're going to go back to where we started. That's called the home position. Start again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we go right, we obviously have to go back. We got to go left, so we're going to go left 4 times. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So those are the basic steps. We're going to go 4 steps to your right and then 4 steps to the left. So let's go and give it a try. Here we go. Starting in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I like to do is I like to point my foot out so it kind of looks like I'm doing a cool little dance move, right? So we're going to go again to your right. We're going to go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do whatever you want with your hands. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from there, we're going to add on to the next step. So now we're going to kick with our right foot. We're going to go right kick, left foot, kick, right kick, left kick. Okay? So try it again. Here we go. Kick right, kick left, kick right, and kick left. Okay? So now, those are the basic steps. So let's try it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick right, kick left, kick right, and left. Okay? All right, so now I'll go and do it facing you guys so you can see it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick right, kick left, kick right, and left. There we go. All right, so the last part of this dance is called walking it out by yourself. Now the way it's gonna work is after you do the kick right, kick left, kick right, kick left, you're actually gonna walk it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you should be facing another direction, okay? And then we would start this process all over again, okay? So again, I'll go ahead and face you guys, and then we'll try to do all the way around, coming back to facing you again. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick, 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 kick. Walk it by yourself. All right, and we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kick, 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 kick. Walk it by yourself. And we go again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick, 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 kick. Walk it. All right, last one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick, 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 turn. 4 counts back to the beginning. All right, so now that we got all of those steps together, we're gonna go and do this dance together with music, so stay tuned. All right, get ready, here we go. Woo! Left. go. Left. Kick. Left. Kick. All right, my friends, it is now your turn to try it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this lesson on how to do the Cupid Shuffle. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the dance. Are you doing it at home? How much fun did you have? Because I know I had lots of fun. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.